Hey guys, this is Christian again with Huggins Honda. Here we've got the 2020 Pilot. This is going to be the touring trim level. We did just pull it off the truck, so we're going to bring it back to the studio and do kind of a little unboxing with it. Going to give you guys an inside look on what the vehicles look like as soon as they get off the truck and as soon as we get to get our hands on them to make them perfect for you. Alright guys, so again with the 2020 Pilot, we just pulled it off the truck and now it is in the shop, or well, the studio, so we can get some good pictures of it and some good video views. I just want to kind of point a few things out with the Pilots. You do get the nice 20-inch black wheels with the beautiful silver aesthetic on the wheels. They look great. It's something I've always really liked about the Pilot itself. If we come back here, again, this is brand new. It's just come off the truck. No one's touched it yet, so it's still got all these little plastic pieces to make sure that it's going to be nice and protected whenever it's on its way here. It's same story down here, so you know, little things don't bump it. That's just Honda protecting their cars for you guys. And then if we come back here, notice that we still have this nice, we get this chrome trim around the windows, and it's all covered up from rocks and paint chips and stuff like that. All right, and then as we move around back, you do get the beautiful LED taillights that wrap around again, and they're going to come more towards the center. So very good visibility, and it looks really cool, in my opinion. And then up top, you get something to protect the spoiler as well. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and we're going to take an interior look on the 2020 Pilot. And now, my favorite part, taking all this stuff off the car so you know that it's brand new. It's like unwrapping a gift on Christmas. See, taking all this stuff off, and then Alright guys, that's been the 2020 Pilot. I do appreciate y'all watching, and make sure to come see us at Huggins Honda. We're at 7551 Northeast Loop 820 in North Richland Hills. Thank you guys.